are going to love the 2000 Crown Victoria. The Ford Crown Victoria is the iconic American full-size touring sedan. Since production began in 1979, the Crown Vic has been a rear-wheel drive cruising sedan with bench seating for up to 6 and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, power brakes, exterior entry lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.